Welcome to Fix Your Apps. In this video, we'll guide you step by step on how to tag friends in your live video on Facebook. If you're ready to learn, stick around and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more helpful tutorials just like this one. Step 1. First, launch the Facebook app on your Android device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Step 2. Once the app is open, tap on the What's on Your Mind section. This is where you can create a new post. You've probably used this space before to share updates or photos, but today we're focusing on going live. Step 3. From the options available, select Live Video. This will take you to the setup screen for your live broadcast. Step 4. Now it's time to start the live broadcast. Tap on Go Live, and you're officially live. Don't worry, you're not tagging anyone just yet. We'll get to that soon. Step 5. While you're live, locate the 3 horizontal lines at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on these to open additional options. Step 6. In the menu that appears, tap on Add to your post. This is where you'll find the option to tag your friends. Step 7. From the list of options, select Tag Friends. This feature allows you to add specific people to your live video, making it easier for them to join or be notified. Step 8. Next, choose the friends you want to tag. You can scroll through your list or use the search bar to find them quickly. Tap on their names to add them. Step 9. Once you've tagged your friends, tap Done. Their tags will now be added to your live video, and they'll be notified that you've included them. And that's it. You've successfully tagged your friends in your live video on Facebook. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.